Hey everyone, Joe Marfrales here, Doctor of Physical Therapy. I wanted to talk to you today about whether or not you should take pre-workout before rolling jiu-jitsu. Before I get into this topic though, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button below. I really do appreciate all of my subscribers as well as those who find my content interesting. And I hope to continue to provide content for all of you who have subscribed, so thank you. The reason I wanted to get into this topic today is because it's been a question on my mind. Being an avid workout enthusiast, I was going through a phase where I did take pre-workout. It's not for everyone, but I did find that it did benefit my workouts quite a bit. And so one day I was like, hey, why wouldn't pre-workout work before training for jiu-jitsu? Now, I am not advising anyone to do it if you have a caffeine sensitivity or something like that where you get the jitters really bad. But I will say that taking some pre-workout or energy drink just before training jiu-jitsu will help you in terms of your overall energy expenditure that day. I will say though that if you are not used to taking pre-workout, I would advise that maybe you stick to something a little less potent, like a cup of coffee or something just before rolling. I know during the end of my workday, sometimes finding the energy to go into jiu-jitsu and train can be difficult at times. So I do find that taking pre-workout or an energy drink just before training helps me just focus a little bit more. I do think though that because of the nature of pre-workout, you have to just be conscious that going into a roll with someone, you may or may not be a little bit more aggressive with your training partner. I highly advise against that. Obviously, you don't want to be hurting anyone, and also you want to just be conscious of your training partner's goals as well, making sure that they're getting better and that the pre-workout that you took is not changing how you roll. I do it more for the cognitive benefit of increased focus, increased attention, and having some energy at the end of a workday to go train jiu-jitsu. However, if you're doing it to get all pumped up and psyched up to smash some people, you're doing it for the wrong reasons, and highly advise against that. Another thing to keep in mind too is that because pre-workout does increase your heart rate, you may tire out a little faster during a roll. You may find that you get a little bit more short of breath, just depending on how intense you're going when rolling. So please just be conscious of that. Like I said, I do it for the cognitive benefit. I've also been weightlifting and training for many years, so I kind of know how my body works and how it responds to certain energy drinks or pre-workouts or things like that. And so I can kind of modulate how much I take and what I do take before rolling, knowing full well that knowing how I'm going to react to it. So if you are brand new to pre-workout, brand new to lifting, brand new to jiu-jitsu, I don't think you have to do it. But if you need a little pick-me-up at the end of your day, a little bit has never hurt me, and I've never hurt a training partner taking pre-workout. So that is something to keep in mind. Make sure that you do it for the right reasons and you're not doing it to completely smash somebody and get all pumped up and get all aggressive. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a little shorter today, but I wanted to make this video as it has been a topic that's been on my mind. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button to my channel. I will talk to you guys later.